In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the length of the arc, then the area of the sector formed by the arc, and area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. So these are the three questions they asked in this. So let us draw the diagram with reference to this one. A rough diagram in a circle of radius 21 centimeter. So you can draw a circle of radius 21 centimeter. Rough diagram. So let us take this is a circle. So with the center O, you can call this as OAPB is a sector. So radius is given 21 centimeter. You can mention this 21 centimeter. And look at this. Radius 21 centimeter. An arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. So this arc ABB. So let us assume that this is subtending 60 degree at the center now. So now this question, find the length of the arc. So we have to find out the length of this arc ABB. So we have to find out what is the length of this arc ABB. The second question is area of the sector formed by this arc. Area of the sector. So area of sector OAPB. So OAPB I want to find out. Then the last question, area of the segment formed by the corresponding arc. So segment means you join this one. So you will get this area, segment area you have to find out. So area of segment ABB. So this area. So let us find out the first one, length of this arc. Formula to find out the length of arc. Length of arc is equal to theta divided by 360 degree into 2 pi r. Where 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle and it is proportional to this angle. So arc length is proportional to the angle subtended at the center. So therefore you write this angle theta here 60 degree divided by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7. Radius is given 21. So simplify this one, 0 0 cancel, 6 ones are 6 6 7 ones are 7 3s are 3 ones are 3 2s are 2 1 2 cancels. So your answer is 22 centimeter. The length of this arc is 22 centimeter. Arc length ABB is 22 centimeter. Now let us come to this second one. Area of sector OAPB. So area of sector OAPB is equal to, formula is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Arc length means theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Area of the sector means theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Substitute here, same angle 60 degree divided by 360 into 22 by 7. Radius is 21. So 21 square. So now you can write like this. You can cancel this one. 6 so 1 by 6 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. You can cancel this one. 7 ones are 7 3s are 3 ones are 3 2s are again 2 ones are 2 11s are. So 11 into 21. Multiply this one. 11 ones are 11. So 11 2s are 22 plus 1 231. So centimeter square. So area of the sector we got 231 centimeter square. So we got the answer to the second question also. Arc length we found out. Area of sector OAPB we have found out. Now we have to find out the area of this sector APB. For this we need to find the area of triangle OAB. So area of the triangle OAB. First let us find out the area of triangle OAB. Before we go for area of this segment, we need to find out area of triangle OAB. So OAB is a triangle with a 60 degree at the center. So this is O and this is called AB. So this is the measurement given 21 and this is 21. So 60 degree means these two lengths are equal. These two lengths are equal. So it is an isosceles triangle also. So So therefore angle A and B must be 60 degree each. These two angles should be equal. So they are form an equilateral triangle only. Remember that this vertex angle is 60 degree. So these two sides are equal because radius of the same circle. OA is also radius, OB is also radius. So therefore these two angles must be equal, base angles. Out of 120 degree, if you divide 60 degrees each will be 60 degree, therefore it's an equilateral triangle. You can use the formula of equilateral triangle, root 3a square divided by 4. So you can substitute here. So 1.732 into a square means side 21 square, because all the three sides will be equal, equilateral triangle, divided by 4. So 1.732 into 21 into 21 divided by 4. Simplify and tell me what is the answer now. Area of triangle OAB. So area of triangle is equal to 190.953. So to find out the area of corresponding segment, so area of segment is equal to area of segment OAPB is equal to area of sector, area of segment APB is equal to area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB. So you have to subtract this to get the area of this sector from the area of segment from the sector OAPB. You have to subtract the area of triangle OAB. Sector area minus triangle area gives you the segment area. So as you have already calculated this area of the triangle, area of the sector 231. So you can write here 231. So here let us write 231 minus, so area of the segment, so area of the triangle 190.953. So you can write here 190.953. So what is the difference? Subtract and tell me now. So after subtraction you are getting 40.047, that is the area of the segment. Okay, so you got the answers of all the three questions. So first you see the first question that they asked is arc length theta by 360 into 2 pi r, we got 22. The second question, area of sector OAPB theta by 360 into pi r square, we got 231. Third question, it is area of the segment APB, this segment. For that we need to find out area of triangle. Area of triangle is, I got 190.953. Then from this sector area, if you subtract this one, you will get the area of this segment 40.047 centimeter square. Let us draw the diagram with reference to this part of a circle of radius 15 centimeter. They have given the radius 15 centimeter, subtends an angle of 60 degree. You have to find out the area of the segments formed by a card, major and minor segments. So you can draw a circle here. So let us take this as a center, and then I am going to draw, this is a card AB. AB subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. So this will be the minor segment. This blue colored shaded portion is the minor segment. So we will call this as PB, APB. OAPB is a minor sector, APB is the minor segment. Similarly, I will write here Q.